Today we're making lemon cheesecake squares, and I have to tell you, these weren't exactly what I had planned. I was going for lemon bars, but this is where we landed. Sometimes that happens, and honestly, I think these squares are better. They're creamy, really nice and lemony, and I just put a simple glaze on top. I'll show you how to do that. I think you're really gonna like them. So let's get baking. The first step is to spray the pan so that the bars will come out easily. Put the cake mix into a large bowl and add an egg. And then I just break up the butter with my hands. It's pretty soft. And we're going to mix that all together. And this is actually the base of your lemon cheesecake squares. And just keep mixing. It'll be kind of like wet sand. And I love using a cake mix for this recipe because it gives the squares an extra bit of lemon flavor. I hope you're enjoying these tips that I've included. So next up, we're going to make the filling, and that's with cream cheese and powdered sugar. And we just keep adding it in gradually. And a few more eggs. And that's the last of the powdered sugar. And don't worry if the powdered sugar flies out a bit, it always does. Oh, that looks great. Nice and creamy. And then we just pour it on that baked bottom crust. And smooth it with a spatula. Try and get it as even as you possibly can. Perfect. Ready for the oven. So just bake until lightly golden. That looks wonderful. So while that's cooling, we're going to make a very easy lemon glaze. And my tip here to sift the icing sugar is really important. We're going to juice 1 lemon. That's my grandmother's juicer, the green glass juicer. I don't know how old it is, but I love it. It's got a tiny little chip out of the side. And then just add in the lemon juice gradually. I don't add it all at once because it might make the glaze that we're making too runny. There we go. Perfect. Now, I actually cut out a corner of the squares because I wasn't sure of what happened, the consistency, but they were fine. And that's it. This is one of those desserts that's easy to make, but it feels a little special too. And it's so lemony, so delicious, and just sweet enough for a great dessert. Perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. I'll see you next time.